Okay, so here we have two particles, P and Q, of masses 0.1 kg P, and Q is of mass 0.4 kg. They're free to move on a smooth horizontal plane. Particle P is projected with speed 4 meters per second towards Q. Q is stationary. Particle P, speed 4 meters per second. Okay, so what's our first thought process here? First, we have a horizontal plane works. So we have two particle P and Q, and P is here and Q is here. Q has its initial speed of 0 meter per second squared. P has the initial speed of 4 meter per second. And P is moving towards Q. Okay. So after they both collide, okay, P and Q, next scenario there. This is scenario 2, is scenario 1. And in scenario 2, both of them collide and their final V is equal. Okay, so from this two scenario, what can we say? First, we can say different bodies here, P and Q, with different mass number. Here we have one body because they collide and one body of mass together, and so their total mass will be 0.1 plus 0.4. Now we have to find two possible values of the speed of P after the collision. So what do we use in this type of question? We use obviously momentum, and momentum after collision has to be equal. Sorry, after. Energy cannot be created or cannot be destroyed. Momentum of this will be, formula of momentum is mass into velocity, and momentum here mass into velocity. But here we have two different mass bodies, so we can't write it as 1m. So we'll write mass of P plus speed, initial speed of P, plus mass of Q plus initial speed of Q equals to the total mass of P plus Q, because after collision they become one body, and their total final speed. Here we have the mass of P, which is 0.1 kg. We have velocity of P, which is 4. We have mass 4 meter per second. We have mass of Q 3.4 kg. The initial speed of Q is 0 because it was stationary. Mass of P and Q together is 0.5 kg into the velocity. Final 0.4 kg meter per second. This becomes 0 equals to 0.5 kg into Vf. So we cancel out the kgs here. Then 0.4 by 0.5 meter per second. This will be 0.8 meter per second. This is one of the possibilities. And then another scenario in the P can collide and go back towards its initial position. The V of these both are again equal. V equals to V equals to V. Initial and final is equal to momentum before and after would be 0.1 into 4 plus 0.4 into 0 equals to, and here they're going in different directions, so their mass will be held differently. So you have 0.1 and 0.4, and the speed, you will go to the right and you can go to the left. Values of speed are equal, but their velocity will be different, because if v goes in the opposite direction, it will be negative v. So 0.1 into minus v, 0.4 into positive v. You cancel it out. We have 0.4 equals to 0.4 v minus 0.1 v. So 0.4 equals to 0.3 v equals to 4 by 3 meter per second. So here are the two possible speeds of v and q.